What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Ring Ring by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll poke you really hard with something really sharp. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright, so the song is pretty simple. I'll start off showing you all the chords, and then I'll show you how they strum it in the song, and then I'll give you another little strumming pattern you can play through. It's going to all be power chords, and you're starting on the 6th fret of your A string with your index finger, and your pinky finger on the 8th fret of your D string. Now, I play my power chords just with my index and my pinky, that way I can lay my fingers on the strings, on the rest of the strings, and mute them, so I can strum the entire guitar, all the strings, and you'll still only hear the two that I'm pressing down. A lot of people like to do bar chords or power chords with their ring finger and their index. You can do that as well. I just prefer using my pinky because it gives me a little bit more ability to kind of like stretch out if I needed to. So you're starting with 6 and 8 on the A string and on the D string. Then you're going to go down to 1 and 3 on the A string and D string. And then 3, 5 on the A and D string. 3, 5. And then 4 and 6 on the E and the A string. And then 1 and 3 on the E and the A string. Back to 3 and 5, or 4 and 6, excuse me. Back to 1 and 3 on the A and D string. Back to 1 and 3 on the E and A string. And then that starts all over. That's all you need to know for the chords. The guitar in the song is an electric guitar, so all they're doing is strumming through each chord once, just one down strum. You can do that, or you can use another strumming pattern if you're on an acoustic guitar like I am. I use a simple down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, throughout all the chords. It looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, and that repeats. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.